TMP's open, both the hot and cold are off, and we're still not getting any water. So that means this thing is blocked. This thing is blocked solid. Yep, I got it wide open. So when this happens, you're screwed. No, I'm just joking. This is what you got to do. This is the only thing you can do, really. At least this is what I do. Well, there's a few things you can do, but let me take all this off and cut this, and yeah. So the first step is you want to take off this. You just want to get all this out of here so you have enough room to get in here with a pipe wrench. Because what we're gonna do is take out this nipple and pump the water out. Okay, now everything's removed. You can remove that or the nipple to do what I'm about to show you, but you can also take this off and put in a 3/4 nipple with a ball valve, threaded ball valve, and then you'll be able to hook this side up. But the problem is that way works, but the problem is all the sediment's down here and we're trying to get the water out, right? So it's best if we can somehow go in from the top. Okay, I barely broke that loose. This is a 24-inch. I was putting so much pressure on it, but I got it. So just know that these nipples are really in there, dude. Okay, so something else. It's not all water heaters are like this, but this has a little dip tube on it. That's not the anode rod. The anode rod is on the other one. But the way this works is this tube goes all the way down and it sends the cold water to the bottom of the tank. So you might have to cut that, or that one was quite easy to get out. So that's why I had those, but we don't need them. So it's just plastic. All right, let's get this stuff out of the way. So this is what you do right here. And this threads on. Now watch. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. All right, all that effort only to realize I don't have any 3/4 Uponor with me. I only have 1/2 inch. So don't worry. Don't cry. Don't cry. It'll be okay. This is what we do. Don't cry, little one. We're gonna make it out okay. Oh. So, just had a little reducer, and we'll just do 1/2 inch. And I got 1/2 inch oops. Okay, take the Uponor, get it down to the bottom as far as it'll go. All right, cut a little piece, put the ring like so. Oh, all right, now, boom. I can hear it working now. Are you freaking kidding me? There it is. Yeah, okay. Nice. Now it's working. So there's just a lot of sediment in that water heater, dude. It's working like a charm now. It might be, let's pull it out just a little bit. It might be a little bit, there we go. It might have been crammed down into all that sediment. That's about as good as it's gonna flow, I'd say. No leaks, at least. And I just hand tightened all this garbage. It's not garbage, but if you don't have an Uponor gun or Uponor fittings, you can take a brass, this is a 3/4 brass nipple, alright? You probably need, I'd get a 6-inch one, 6-inch brass nip. Take a pipe wrench, unthread this, put a bucket below, unthread it. Sometimes when you unthread this, water won't leak out because there's so much sediment blocking that. But if water does come out, have a bucket and just stick your nipple in with a, you don't even need a ball valve. You just need a nipple. You need a brass nipple with this on the other side, technically. Then what you can do, if water's not coming out, you put the brass nipple in. You can just take a long screwdriver and poke it in there to loosen the sediment, and it'll all come out. The water, at least. All done.